So let's look at your assignment for today. If we scroll down, I want to remind you that right here you have some Revit videos that are put together by Autodesk. If we look at them, you will see they are very short little video clips, and they each have their own title on them. So if there's something that you potentially need a little bit more explanation about, you should be able to find that in these videos. So don't forget you have those as a resource. For today, again, we've been talking about building codes. So we're going to go into the section here that says building codes, playing by the rules. Once we get into here, you're going to see, as a reminder, your assignments from the previous classes. So basically lesson 4 review questions and lesson 4 drawing exercise. Here is your new assignment for today. We'll come back to that. In this area here, you see there are no required readings. Over here is very important. These are where the video lectures are located. So again, you need to watch all of these videos, which hopefully you've watched part 1 and 2 before watching this video. On the page itself is a recap of what was in the videos today. So let's go ahead and take a look at your assignment for today. In this assignment, it is set up like our typical review questions. Up here at the top, there is some general information. There are links to the various codes that you are going to go to find the answers at. The first part we're going to go look at is the IRC, and this is from 2012. It's not the most up-to-date. If I click on it, you'll see it comes into the International Residential Code. This is a searchable document. When you see the questions, if I put in Control F and I type in exits, you'll see that it's found one of 12 right up here, right there. That gives me the section for exits. If I click down, it'll take me to the actual section and continue on to that till I can find what I want. That makes searching that document a lot easier. Then you will also go to the zoning map. This is the city of Springfield. You may have to go through a different browser than Chrome, or you may have to let it be accessible. So if I give you a location that I want you to search on the zoning map and find out what the actual zoning is for that location, you can just type this in at the top. I'm going to type in Chestnut Expressway and National Avenue, and if I hit the search, you'll see it will locate that, and then I can zoom in whatever corner I tell you to look at. Then you can determine which one of the zoning classifications that it is. Then I've also given you the link to the actual zoning ordinance. Again, this is a searchable document. We want to go to Division 4, District Regulations, and we're going to be looking under the residential districts. And most of what we're going to be looking at is single family. And you'll see that it tells some different things about it, and you should be able to find. Again, you can search for different keywords and it will take you to that. The last part of the assignment is an actual subdivision covenant. And I just found this online, so I'm going to ask you some questions about it. This document is not searchable, but it is not very long, so you should be able to find out the answers to those questions in that document. So if we look at the assignment, you'll see that it tells you using the residential code. So it will tell you which code you are to look in as you do the assignment. Again, remember to not submit this until you are complete. If you submit it and you haven't completed it, then you will have to start over. You do have multiple attempts at this, so again, just be careful on submitting to make sure that you only do it one time if that is your desire. So that concludes your assignments for today, and next week we will get started into designing and inputting our house in Revit. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.